Some secrets don't destroy relationships immediately. They sit quietly, they wait, and sometimes they end lives. This is a silent confession. Setup, relationship introduction. Ethan and Maya had been together for 3 years. Not the kind of couple that argued loudly or caused scenes. They were calm, private, stable. Friends described them as safe. The kind of relationship people envied. Ethan was attentive, protective. Maya trusted him completely. That trust was the first problem, because there was one thing Ethan never told her. One secret he convinced himself was harmless, temporary, necessary. The hidden secret begins. Before he met Maya, Ethan had been involved in something illegal, nothing dramatic, or so he told himself. A financial scheme, quiet fraud, the kind that hides behind spreadsheets and fake accounts. He had walked away, or at least he thought he had. New city, new job, new relationship, new life. But secrets like that don't disappear. They follow, and eventually they knock. Tension builds, the past returns. It started with phone calls Ethan didn't answer, numbers he deleted, messages he never opened around her. Maya noticed the distance before she noticed the lies. He became tense at night, paranoid, jumping at sounds. When she asked what was wrong, he smiled and said, "Work stress." She believed him, because love often fills in gaps that truth should occupy. Escalation, pressure tightens. Then the messages changed. No more calls. Only one line, repeated over and over. "You owe us." Ethan knew what that meant. Someone from the old operation had found him, and they wanted money. Money he didn't have. He considered telling Maya. Many times. But every time he imagined the look on her face. Fear, disappointment, loss of trust. He stayed silent. Silence felt safer than honesty. Decision point, the fatal choice. One night, there was a knock at the door. Late, unexpected. Maya was in the shower. Ethan opened the door and saw a man he recognized immediately. Calm, smiling, dangerous in the quiet way. The man stepped inside uninvited. He spoke softly. No threats, just facts. You either fix this or we will. Ethan felt cornered. When the man turned toward the bedroom, toward Maya, something inside Ethan snapped. Fear made the decision for him. The crime, controlled, non-graphic. The argument happened fast. Whispers, raised voices, a struggle no one planned. One push, one fall, silence. The man didn't move again. Ethan stood frozen, staring at what fear had done. By the time Maya came out of the bathroom, the secret had already become a crime. Aftermath, guilt and consequences. Ethan told Maya everything, not because he wanted to, but because he had no choice left. The secret, the fraud, the debt, and now the body. Maya listened without speaking. She didn't scream. She didn't cry. She just realized that the man she trusted was someone she never truly knew. They didn't call the police that night. Fear convinced them they could fix it. Fear always lies. Collapse, the way to silence. Days passed. Ethan unraveled. He stopped sleeping, stopped eating. Maya couldn't look at him the same way again. Every silence felt louder. Every sound felt like sirens. And secrets don't stay buried. The body was found. The story unraveled. The truth surfaced. It always does. Ending, reflection/lesson. Ethan thought hiding the truth would protect his relationship. Instead, it destroyed everything. The crime didn't begin with violence. It began with silence, with the belief that love could survive dishonesty. This was his silent confession. Some secrets don't stay quiet forever. They wait until the cost is irreversible. Soft outro, brand reinforcement. This story is fictional, but the lesson is real. When truth is buried long enough, it doesn't just resurface. It explodes.